In the realm of tick-borne diseases, one stands out as particularly unusual: alpha-gal syndrome, AGS. This condition, which causes affected individuals to develop an allergy to red meat, is a relatively new discovery in the medical world and is rapidly becoming a growing concern across the globe. As climate change expands tick habitats and increases human-tick interactions, understanding AGS is more crucial than ever. What is alpha-gal syndrome? Alpha-gal syndrome is an allergic reaction to a sugar molecule called galactose alpha-1, 3-galactose, commonly known as alpha-gal. This sugar is found in most mammals, except humans and some other primates. The syndrome was first confirmed in 2007, making it a relatively new addition to the list of known tick-borne diseases. AGS is unique in two significant ways. It's one of only two known allergies where the allergen is a sugar rather than a protein. The allergic reaction can be delayed for hours after consuming red meat, unlike most food allergies which cause immediate reactions. The alpha-gal molecule. Alpha-gal is a carbohydrate molecule found in the cell membranes of most mammals. Humans and some other primates lack the gene to produce this sugar, which is why our immune systems can recognize it as foreign. How ticks cause alpha-gal syndrome. While the exact mechanism is not fully understood, the leading hypothesis involves tick saliva. When a tick bites a human, it injects saliva containing various substances, including proteins coated with alpha-gal sugars. Because humans don't produce alpha-gal, our immune system may recognize these molecules as foreign invaders. This triggers the production of immunoglobulin E IgA, antibodies specifically targeting alpha-gal. Once these antibodies are created, the immune system is primed to recognize alpha-gal as a threat in the future. Symptoms and reactions. When a person with AGS consumes red meat or other products containing alpha-gal, their immune system identifies the sugar and triggers an allergic reaction. Symptoms can vary widely, including hives or itchy rash, nausea or stomach cramps, difficulty breathing, dizziness or fainting, anaphylaxis in severe cases. One of the most distinctive features of AGS is the delayed onset of symptoms. Unlike most food allergies, where reactions occur within minutes, AGS reactions can take 3 to 6 hours to manifest. This delay can make it challenging to identify the cause of the reaction, complicating diagnosis. Prevalence and geographic distribution. The CDC estimates that over 450,000 people in the United States may have developed AGS since 2010. However, many of these individuals may be unaware of their condition due to the delayed nature of the reactions and lack of widespread awareness among healthcare providers. While initially associated with the Lone Star tick found in the eastern United States, AGS has been reported globally. Cases have been documented in countries across every continent except Antarctica, with various tick species implicated in different regions. Diagnosis and healthcare challenges. Diagnosing AGS can be challenging due to several factors. The delayed onset of symptoms can make it difficult to connect the reaction to meat consumption. Many healthcare providers are unfamiliar with the condition. A survey found that nearly half of U.S. healthcare practitioners hadn't heard of AGS, and less than a third felt confident diagnosing it. The symptoms can mimic other allergic reactions or gastrointestinal issues. Diagnosis typically involves a combination of patient history, skin prick tests, and blood tests to detect alpha-gal antibodies. Increasing awareness among healthcare providers is crucial for improving diagnosis rates and patient care. Impact on daily life. For those diagnosed with AGS, the impact on daily life can be significant. The primary dietary restriction is the avoidance of red meat, which includes beef, pork, lamb, and other mammalian meats. However, AGS can also cause reactions to dairy products, gelatin found in many foods and medications, some cosmetics and personal care products. Perhaps most concerningly, AGS can cause reactions to certain pharmaceuticals that contain alpha-gal. For example, the cancer drug cetuximab has been associated with severe reactions in patients with AGS. Treatment and management. Currently, there is no cure for alpha-gal syndrome. The primary management strategy is strict avoidance of alpha-gal containing products. This includes eliminating red meat from the diet, carefully reading labels on food products and medications, informing healthcare providers about the allergy to avoid problematic treatments. For some individuals, symptoms may lessen or disappear over time, particularly if they avoid further tick bites. However, this is not guaranteed, and the time frame can vary significantly between individuals. In 2020, the FDA approved a line of gal-safe pigs that do not express alpha-gal on their cells. Products from these animals should be safe for people with AGS, although they may not be widely available or cost-effective for most consumers. The role of climate change. The prevalence of AGS appears to be increasing, and climate change may be a significant factor. As global temperatures rise, tick populations are expanding their habitats and remaining active for longer periods. This increases the likelihood of human-tick interactions and, consequently, the risk of AGS and other tick-borne diseases. For example, the Lone Star tick, primarily associated with AGS in the United States, has been expanding its range northward in recent decades. Similar trends are being observed with other tick species worldwide. Prevention strategies. Given the lack of a cure and the potential severity of reactions, prevention is crucial. The CDC recommends following the ABCs of tick prevention. Avoid. Stay away from areas where ticks are likely to be found, such as tall grasses and leaf litter. Bee bug spray. Use EPA-registered insect repellents containing at least 20% DEET, picaridin, IR 3535, oil of lemon eucalyptus, parmethyldiol, or 2-undecanone. Sea clothing. Wear long-sleeved shirts and long pants. Tucking pants into socks can provide additional protection when walking through tick-prone areas. Additional prevention measures include performing thorough tick checks after spending time outdoors, showering within 2 hours of coming indoors, treating clothing and gear with products containing 0.5% permethrin. Future research and challenges. As AGS becomes more prevalent, several areas require further research. Understanding the exact mechanism by which ticks induce alpha-gal sensitization, developing potential treatments or desensitization therapies, exploring the long-term health impacts of AGS, investigating the role of different tick species in causing AGS worldwide, assessing the impact of climate change on tick populations and AGS prevalence. Conclusion: alpha-gal syndrome represents a unique challenge in the world of tick-borne diseases. Its delayed onset, potentially severe reactions, and impact on daily life make it a significant concern for public health. As climate change continues to alter tick habitats and behaviors, the prevalence of AGS is likely to increase. Addressing this emerging health issue will require a multifaceted approach, including increased awareness among healthcare providers and the general public, continued research into the mechanisms and potential treatments for AGS, development of more effective tick control strategies, adaptation of healthcare systems to better diagnose and manage AGS cases. By understanding the nature of alpha-gal syndrome and taking proactive steps to prevent tick bites, we can work towards minimizing its impact on public health. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of this unusual allergy, it serves as a reminder of the complex and often surprising ways in which our environment can affect our health.